Hi, we're doing a percent increase formula. And what this is all about is looking at a couple different values and determining how much it is increasing, and also we'll be looking at decreasing. And the formula is looking at a new number, a new value, subtracting it from original number, original value, dividing it by that same original number, original value, and that's going to give us a percent of increase. So let's say you're doing hours online this weekend, and you on Saturday you spent 2 hours online, right? You've been Zooming all week. You want to take a little bit of a break, not too much time online, so a couple hours, which is kind of the recommended amount of dosage, by the way. Even though we're all getting a lot more during COVID, still try to keep yourself in check. On Sunday we did some more, right? We did 4.5 hours. So what is this saying? Sunday would be the new value. Saturday was the original value. So we're putting this into this formula. So the new value, 4.5, take away the original value, 2 hours on Saturday, divide by the original value, 2. So there's our percent formula. That's what you're going to want to have in your journal. And then we do some math here. 4.5. Take away 2, 2.5 over 2. So we want to give this as a percent. We want to see it as a percent change. And so let me give us a little bit more room here. So we're looking at that. Maybe you're seeing it already, seeing a percent change. It's 0.5, a quarter of that. Maybe you want to make the numbers a little bit more convenient for finding the percent change, and you multiply by 10. So then you're 25 over 20. You like that better? You're seeing the percent change. Maybe you're talking about percent. You want it out of 100%, out of 100. And you're just going to go ahead and multiply by 5. 20 times 5 is 100. 25 times 5 quarters, 125. And now we've got that percent really clearly per 100. So the increase in amount of time is 125% increase in the amount of time online from Saturday to Sunday. Really important to include both things here. 3 things. 1, the numeric. 2, the percent sign. 3, naming increase or decrease. Okay. So here we have the percent decrease formula. All right. We're going to say glasses of water per week. Okay. All right. So we're saying week 1 was 37 glasses of water, which is probably still less than you should drink. First thing every day, drink a glass of water. Week 2, 25 glasses of water. This is a decrease. So our formula is original value, take away the new value, divide by the new value. So original value, week 1 was 37. Subtract the new value, which was 25, divide by the original value, and the original value was 37. Okay, so we're going to look at 37, take away 25 is 12, and then that's dividing by 37. Please absolutely feel free to do the long division. I'm going to go ahead and use my calculator on this, but you always estimate, right? So 12 out of 36, what is 12 out of 36, or what would you estimate this to be? So I've got 12 divided by 37 is equal to, it's if I round to the hundredths place, which is what I will do. So I'm even going to do the rounding symbol. The approximately is 32%. And that's about what I had estimated, because 12 out of 36 is 1/3. So we want to express our final answer here, not just as 32%, but a 32% decrease because we're drinking less water in week 2 than we did in the first week. Okay, so we looked at percent increase formula, we looked at percent decrease formula, and now you've got some practice problems. So here we are, 3 practice problems. The first one, without calculating, which is the greater percent of change? 5 fish added to 50 fish or 5 fish added to 100 fish? And explain, right? Be able to put it into words on that. Number 2, you went from 8 feet to 24 feet. Number 3, from 300 miles to 210 miles. Make sure you write down those formulas. Make sure you label your answers.